Oh, there you go. It's warm. Grab scissors warm.
Jakey! Anna! Oh, that hit me on the butt.
Crab bit him on the butt, he says. It didn't. Oh, does that feel good?
Oh, it's warm.
It feels so good, huh? He says it's warm. And a coconut came up. You see the coconut? There are coconut crabs on the island. We've already seen them. There are tons of little tiny ones up by our bedroom villa, which is, our bedroom villa is over there. I can take you over there and show you. The floor to this villa is concrete and it's beautifully stamped, but I have to say it's a little slick when it's wet. So that goes to our bedroom. I don't think I'll take my phone through that right now. That's our bedroom over there. Tea trees. Gardenia plants. All of our fruit. Let's see what we got. We have 2 beautiful mango. We have 2 pomelo, which are like a grapefruit. So good. Oh, we have 3. Ooh, that's a beauty. That might actually be a grapefruit. 2 guava. Ooh, we got a little lime. That might be the little orange lime thing. We got some bananas. 1 avo.
Where's my little Nana?
Where's your little Nana?
Look what Gramps got you,
Nana.
Nana.
Look what Gramps found for you, Nana. Oh, Bri. Okay, I'm gonna send this to him now. Love you, Nana.
Love you, Nana. Love you, Jakey.